Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. What if I told you the working class is standing on a trapdoor? And AI is already pulling the lever? No warnings. No headlines. Just quiet replacement. Today's video opens with a question. Not, will AI replace jobs? But, who disappears first? And more importantly, are you on that list? Because right now, machines aren't coming someday. They're here. And they're faster than the entire labor force combined. Factories automated. Retail minimized. Support teams replaced overnight. But here's the twist, AI isn't targeting low-skilled work first. It's targeting predictable work. And predictable work exists at every income level. If your job follows a pattern, AI sees a shortcut. And companies see a saving. Which raises the next question, if AI can do it cheaper and faster, why keep the worker? That's the brutal math behind this shift. And the working class is caught in it. Not because they're unskilled, but because they're replaceable. And most don't know it yet. Let's pressure test this. You wake up tomorrow. Check your email. And see, update to your role, it's not a promotion. It's automation. Quiet. Efficient. Ruthless. And the world moves on. That's the scenario millions are about to face. But few are preparing for it. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Let's go deeper. AI doesn't care about experience. It cares about speed, output, consistency. And it never gets tired. Never gets sick. Never takes breaks. That alone puts pressure on the working class. But here's the real danger. AI isn't replacing tasks. It's absorbing entire workflows. Editing. Research. Customer support. Even parts of management. And if AI handles 40% of a job, companies start questioning why they need one worker for 100% pay. That's the silent squeeze. And it's happening right now. Yet most people still say, my job is safe. Let's be honest. Safe doesn't exist anymore. Only adaptable exists. Only upgradable exists. Only AI literate survives. The people who thrive in this shift aren't the smartest. They're the fastest to adjust. The fastest to experiment. The fastest to adopt tools. The working class isn't being replaced because they're weak. They're being replaced because they're slow to pivot. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Let's continue. Ask yourself honestly, can your job be digitized? Can your tasks be automated? Can AI replicate 30% of what you do? If yes, you're not at risk. You're on a countdown. The timer ends when the next AI upgrade drops. And the upgrades keep coming faster. This isn't a trend. It's a compression of the job market. A shrinking of human-required roles. A widening gap between those who use AI and those replaced by it. Let's explore the core issue. AI doesn't destroy industries. It destroys inefficiencies. And most working-class systems were built on inefficiency. Middlemen. Repetition. Manual labor. Predictable processes. That era has expired. The new era rewards digital leverage. One person using AI can output like 10. And companies notice that. That's why hiring is slowing. That's why layoffs are rising. That's why automation budgets are exploding. It's not emotional. It's economical. But here's the part nobody tells you. AI can be the threat, or the weapon. The replacement, or the multiplier. The enemy, or the shortcut. It depends on how fast you adapt. Because the only workers who survive now are augmented workers. Those who use AI like a superpower. Those who treat it like leverage. Those who see opportunity before disruption hits. So let me ask again, are you adapting? Are you learning new tools? Are you building new skills? Or are you hoping things stay the same? Because they won't. This decade is not normal. It's a reset. A transition point. Where the working class either evolves or collapses. That's the truth. And truth beats comfort. Let's analyze deeper. AI reduces labor cost. Labor cost drives pricing. Pricing decides competitiveness. So any company ignoring AI becomes incompetitive. And any worker ignoring AI becomes undesirable. That's the new economy. And it's unavoidable. But here's your advantage, you're early. You're watching content like this. You're learning before the masses panic. That's your edge. And if you act on it, you don't get replaced. You replace. You don't lose income. You multiply it. You don't fear AI. You weaponize it. But only if you start now. Before AI becomes standard. Before companies expect it. Before your role is questioned. Adapt early. Learn faster. Move quicker. That's the formula. Let's shift the lens. The working class doesn't disappear. It transforms. Into digital operators. Into automation managers. Into AI-driven creators. Into augmented professionals. The future doesn't delete workers. It deletes outdated workers. So don't be outdated. Train your mind to evolve. Train your workflow to upgrade. Train your income to diversify. Because survival won't be enough. You need acceleration. You need to outrun the shift. And that starts with tools. Tools that multiply your output. Tools that reduce your time. Tools that make you irreplaceable. Tools like the one I'm about to show you. But before that, hit subscribe and click the bell button. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. Don't fall behind. Let's close this. The question isn't, will AI wipe out the working class? The question is, will the working class upgrade fast enough? And that answer depends on you. Your speed. Your mindset. Your willingness to evolve. And your decision today. Because tomorrow's job market is unforgiving. Tomorrow's employers want augmented workers. Tomorrow's economy rewards speed. Tomorrow's opportunities go to those who already prepared. So prepare now. Start today. Build skill. Build leverage. Build digital power. And stay ahead. Now, the moment you waited for. The tool that made me $100. Simple. Fast. And ridiculously effective. Use it today. Test it today. Turn it into income today. Because the future won't wait. And neither should you. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Stay sharp. Stay curious. Stay adaptable. This shift is real. And you're early. Use that advantage. Don't waste it. Keep learning. Keep moving. Keep upgrading. This is your moment. This is your edge. This is your turning point. The working class isn't vanishing. It's evolving. And you decide which side you land on. Subscribe. Click the bell. And stay ready. Because tomorrow, everything accelerates. More tools coming. More strategies dropping. More opportunities unfolding. Don't miss them. Don't fall behind. Don't freeze. Take action. Take control. Take your future back. Let's win this era.